Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to improve YouTube CTR with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, CTR or click-through rate measures how many people click your video after seeing it on their screen. So using vidIQ tools ensures your visual and textual presentation stand out in crowded feeds. So first up, you'll need to go ahead and run the thumbnail preview tool. You can go ahead and go to your YouTube studio, scroll all the way down and find the thumbnail section. Okay. As you can see here, you can go ahead and improve it. You can just click on improve right here, or you'll be given an option to use their pre-generated thumbnail. You click on improve, but as you can see here, mine is already optimized, okay? I already used vidIQ right here to optimize this specific thumbnail. Also, it gives me an option to use this one, which is pretty sick as well, okay? But all you got to do basically is, again, just use the improve option right here. Okay, and you'll have a ton of options generated by vidIQ AI. And when you go ahead and go back right here, click on in the left panel, we have thumbnails. So basically all you got to do is tell the AI right here what best describes your video. Okay, you can go ahead and copy the link of your video, just like so, and then paste it right here. Hit on continue and just wait for the AI to generate the best looking thumbnail for your specific video. Okay, so basically CTR, or the click-through rate, varies on how your thumbnail looks. As again, when you go ahead over to YouTube, for example, this one, also your title, okay? Make sure that your title is optimized as well. So this is the normal YouTube website looks like for most of us, okay? So whichever got the best thumbnail and title, we click on it, all right? So let's go ahead and go back to vidIQ right here and check. And as you can see here, another great thumbnail. But there's a problem. There's 2 Grand Theft Auto 5 logo. Or you have the option to click on 3 dots and remix it. Okay. And after that, once you like this specific thumbnail, go back to your YouTube studio and under thumbnails, click on 3 dots and just change it. Upload the new one. Okay. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to improve your YouTube CTR with vidIQ. Again, the most important thing, the thumbnail and your title. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.